All right, so today we're going to talk about subtracting mixed numbers, and not ones that are just the normal subtractions. We're going to be focusing on the ones that you have to rename because there's not enough in the numerator to subtract from the denominator. So we're going to start with subtracting fractions from 1. Let's look at this for a minute. Okay, so we have 1 minus 5, 6. We're changing our 1. So right now we don't even have any 6 to subtract from. So we're going to subtract. We're going to change the 1 into the fraction. So it's 6, 6. And now we can subtract. So 6 minus 5 is 1. So we're going to be practicing doing that. We're going to do this a few more times, and then we're going to put it with a mixed number. So same thing. Can we subtract 2/3 from a 1? Nope, we have to change it. So we're breaking it into 3/3. Now we can subtract. It's up to you if you want to write this part down. I just kind of want you to watch and see the process, and then we'll work on that in class. Okay, so first step, change that 1 to a fraction, 5/5. We're going to subtract the second fraction, and now we have what's left. Okay, so now we are going to go, we're not going to do any more of those. I just wanted to remind you. This one. Now we are going to practice with a mixed number. Okay, so remember, a mixed number is the sum of a whole number and a fraction part. So this is the same as 1 plus 3/6. And then we can change our 1 to, oh, I did it wrong. It's a 6, isn't it? There we go. Then the answer is 9. I jumped ahead. Okay. So we're going to change our 1 is the same as 1 plus the fraction, which is 2/3. We're changing our 1 to a fraction, and this time this is at a third, so it's 3/3. Now we can add it, and that would be 5/3. Okay, same thing. 7/8. The parts are 8, so it's 8/8. Add them together, and 8 plus 7 is 15. So we're just practice taking that whole and making it into a fraction that's bigger than 1. All right, drag the tiles to model the mixed number. Okay, so we have 1 and 4/5. I think we have to drag this. So we have 1 and 4/5. So there's 2/5. No, we're on this one, 3/5. Okay. So we have 1 and 3/5. But right how it is, if we have 3/5, can we take away 4/5? No, so we have to make it so we can. So right here, let's see how many fifths does this equal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that equals 8/5. Now, can we subtract? Now we can subtract. 8 minus 4 is 4. Okay, let's do another one together. Okay, so right now, if we have 1/6, if we only have 1, can we take away 5? Nope. And so now we have to change it. So we have the 6/6, this is our 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now we're adding our 1/6 here. So we add our 1/6 there. So now, how many do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7. Okay, and then we drag it up here because 1 and 1/6 is the same as 7/6. So 7/6 minus 5/6. Now can we subtract the numerators? Now we can. So 7 minus 5 is 2. All right, last one. Oh, no, we unlocked our level. Woohoo! So as we go on today, that is what we're going to be practicing. We're going to be practicing when we're subtracting our mixed numbers. If the numerator fraction is smaller than the second one, we have to break apart one of the ones so we can subtract. All right. So our why don't we come to class with our hands over our face today? Let's come to class with our hands over our face. That will be fun for everybody. All right, we'll practice more when we get into class.